Hi, I'm Paul from Contact Renovation and Custom Homes. Today we're shooting from a location in Riverbend. It's a 3-bedroom condo which we fully renovated. We'll focus on the kitchen today. And one of the primary changes to this kitchen is we used to have a wall that separated the kitchen from the dining room. So to open this up and allow more line of sight and light into the space, we removed this wall, and this now gives us a much more open concept. The client also had some specific furniture she wanted to include in her dining room. So the way we designed it was to have a pony wall with a ledge built into the back of the peninsula. And this allows her then to have space for her hutch, but still have a nice open concept space and a usable ledge on top. The client loves to bake, so that was part of how we planned the design here. So we've maximized the amount of usable counter space for her as she's baking and doing food preparation in general. So to facilitate that, we've put the microwave into the island, which again clears up some counter space. She did want access to her cookbook, so we made a ledge above the sink for storage of her books, as well as at the end of the upper cabinets to have other display items and books or whatever she feels she might want. Storage-wise, we've also have a pantry unit here, and I'll show you some of the features of the pantry. So it's great for maximizing storage, especially if you're in a condo unit where you don't have the ability to put a lot of cabinetry in. So here we have some pull-out drawers, and they're beautiful to look at. They're a nice maple drawer. She opted for the upgrade to dovetail, which makes it very pretty but also very strong. And all these drawers, they come with soft close. And as you can see, it gives a lot of storage space and a good usable pantry. Other features in the kitchen, we have a pull-out for the garbage and recycling station. We've incorporated a wine rack into the island it kind of adds a nice little touch design-wise, but it's also practical. We've gone with a subway tile as a backsplash. We've gone with some under cabinet lighting to again light the workspaces. And in general, across this whole unit, we've upgraded the pot lighting to LED panel lights, and they put off a ton of light. They're fully dimmable, and it makes it a really nice, bright, usable workspace. We'll tune in again next show. We'll talk about the bathrooms that we've done here and how to maximize your storage and functionality within the layout of your bathrooms. Paul from Contact Renovations. See you next time.